First, the top news headlines at this hour. Inner line permit system finally extended to Manipur. Chief Minister says protection now given to ethnic communities under ILP. Congress hits out at BJP over CAB, says country divided on religious lines. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur television news at 6:30. I'm Loving with the news in details. The Inner Line Permit System (ILP) under the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act 1973 has been extended to Manipur with effect from today. According to a Gazette notification issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 or ILP will be implemented in the northeast's Kamrup, Darang, Naugong, Sipsagar, Lakhimpur, Naga Hills, Kachar, along with Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, and Nagaland under the Adaptation of Laws Amendment Order 2019. With the Inner Line Permit system officially extending to Manipur with effect from today, Chief Minister N. Biren stated that the long-pending demand of the public is now fulfilled. The move clearly shows that the BJP-led government keeps its words, he said during a press conference held at the Chief Minister's Secretariat in Imphal today. There is no need to worry about ethnic communities getting wiped out of the state now. Chief Minister informed that the government will also later discuss on NRC and its base year. He pointed out that the increase in the influx of migrants into the state just did not happen overnight, hence it will take time to assess the issue. The extension of Inner Line Permit system to Manipur was published in the Gazette of India today. With this, ILPS is officially enforced in Manipur with immediate effect. Chief Minister Biren added that the implementation of the law will protect the indigenous people of the state. Thanking the central leaders, Biren also remembered and hailed the efforts of the people, civil society organizations, Meira Paibis and political parties which had immensely contributed in extension of ILPS to the state. Chief Minister also assured that necessary steps will be taken immediately to check entry of illegal immigrants into the state via border areas. Minister of Law and Legislative Affairs L. Jayanta Kumar, Education Minister T.H. Radhesham, Deputy Chairman State Planning Board S. Rajan, Simkai Constituency MLA H. Dingo, Yai School MLA T.H. Satya Brata, and Kairao MLA L. Rameshwar Mite also attended the press conference.
Bharat Sarkar ki waina sumna parliamental authopuduna verbal assurance ni adu in written the gazette ngasi si phonga gazette se koi Manipur ki formally state of Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram and the area of district of state of Nagaland is notified from time to time. Thajaba pi ki bodo ngasi thabak waina ule official se waina thol e habado ai press ki si naw singi khuthang da mayam punamak Masigi nungai pa through media tamzabani.
Commenting on the arrest of AMSU volunteers by cops, Chief Minister Biren said that the government had appealed to student bodies like Northeast Students Organization and AMSU to stop their ongoing movement against CA bill and clarified that the student volunteers were detained in view of the inconveniences faced by the masses due to their protests. He also urged protesters to adopt democratic way of demonstrations.
Aikoi gi suk chaw pot ama pira abanina yaragadi na khoi tawnu ne moi mi thadana keduna apil myam tawbuni adu ta dingarang gari ga mani kaina badum yaweba singjamai daga ai any agitation lakpada public ki oibada mayam gi oibada democratic oibada ai we support it akhoi dum yai mayam laibak mayam gi oibada aduga violent yaw kangbo singdi loina FIR san gani satra oigera satri anybody moi gi service ki career da hayeng moi madu care tok jagadamni aina sangdori ba strike maram sabra sadabra aina tawdori ba agitation maram sabra sadabra se sangdring aida mayam loina khanbiyo ai warning nate loina FIR pangani moigi hayeng moigi life ki service ki care sokani.
Meanwhile, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi today alleged that the Citizenship Amendment Bill is an attempt by the Modi-Shah government to ethnically cleanse the Northeast and a criminal attack on the region. Protests have broken out in several parts of the Northeast over the Citizenship Amendment Bill, which was passed in the Lok Sabha on Monday and will be placed in the Rajya Sabha today. Rahul Gandhi said that he will stand in solidarity with the people of the Northeast. Large parts of the Northeast simmered over protests by student union and left democratic organizations against the contentious bill. Normal life was paralyzed in Assam's Brahmaputra Valley during the shutdown led by the All Assam Students Union and the Northeast Students Organization. The strike coincided with a band called by left-leaning organizations including the SFI, DYFI, AIDWA, AISF and AISA. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Vice President T. Mangibabu today reiterated that Congress Party always stands against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. He expressed serious concern that implementation of inner line permit in the state might not be able to solve the issue on influx of illegal immigrants into Manipur. He was talking to journalists at the Congress Bhavan, Imphal today, where several offices bearers of the party were also present. Mangibabu said the Congress MPs strongly condemned and opposed the contentious bill in the House. He also cited about Rahul Gandhi's disapproving the CA bill on social media. Mangibabu claimed that over 90 lakh illegal migrants who have been excluded from Assam's NRC might enter the state.
Citizen Amendment Bill, Hoji Rai Sabada, akan berdebate tonari, se opposition kampusingna, aduki mati kan nama sida se debate tori aduga parliament da hari se masigi bill se amna unconstitutional oiba aduga discriminatory oiba aduga mamakhalgi bill ni haidana hoji yam kanna masi tawri hariba aduna masidi congress aikoi gi di masigi bill se sugya yabanga moi haiba se koi di still aikoi gi kano se adum lengdana khoi gi phirep se dum leiri simatang khoi khanghaning bani.
Let's take a short commercial break now. Coming up right after the break, All Trade Union and Kisan Organization calls for a nationwide general strike on January 8 next. More after the break.
Baldev, a premier study circle, holiday special, day camp, class 1 to 8 starting 11 December 2019, timing 11 AM to 2:30 PM. Foundation course for class 9 and 10, subjects science, social science and mathematics, starting 16 December 2019. Registration on or before 10th December 2019. Van service available. Maximum 20 students per class for class 9 and 10. For more details, please visit Baldev, Uripok Khoisnam Lekai, Imphal.
Ano wamadi nungai pa, government ki thaba ma soina phangba yargani. ICS coaching center na 100% job phangnabagi damakta guarantee pidron lagli. India ki oina sarkar ki thaba khwaidagi masing ena phangaliba ICS coaching center Imphal da sohanagan. ICS ki thoidok officer singdi course amakhak ki preparation tobiraga tongan ba department singi haibadi banking, railway, post office, home, teaching, defense, court haibu singa sida thabak line na phangalagan. ICS ki teaching method na minute mari natraga manga changadaba question singbu second ahum natraga mari da solve to bangamali. Imphal da laiba ICS coaching center da boarding ki khudong chabu thamjari. For details please contact ICS coaching center Imphal Kasam Thong Hodam Lairak
Khurumjari Lamjingba finance na makal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singiba loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudimaki gari kaya su bandan lauzari. Christmas ki oiba kadaba offer su pisari.
Akupa marolgidamagta lengsinbirau lamjingba finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nityananda Temple natragana
lamjingba finance uripok hawam diwan lekai
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 6909959834 ꯗ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ
Riyamang lamdao mikyo ikon goy buni angko
Sangai Tuition Center. Admission open for revision course for class 10 and 12. Classes are going on. New foundation course for class 6 to 10 and 12. Classes commencing on 19 December. Mock tests will be held on every Sunday with spoken class for English and Hindi. Mathematical technique for better understanding and acquire more scientific knowledge. We also provide study materials. Vision for toppers. 10% fee concession for students of government schools. 20% fee concession for local students. 50% fee concession for physically challenged students. Hostel for boys and girls. Van service available. For details, please contact Sangai Tuition Center, Kokwa or call us at 98561 55400 or 8787 690 436.
Welcome back after the break. All trade union and Kisan organization has called a nationwide general strike on January 8 next to register a protest against the government of India over several issues which have been left unresolved. Speaking at a press meet at the office of Communist Party of India, Manipuri State Council CPI National Executive Member Dr. Ma Nara said that a meeting of party's national executive members was held at Hyderabad on 7 and 8 of this month. Nara added the meeting had a threadbare discussion on various current issues of the country and took the decision to call for a nationwide general strike.
ILP chanani haribasi implement torbudu yengi tarimtro. How did we implement? Thapaksha phaba tawni na hairaga thapak tu tawraktrabadi. Koi miyamna tangdu leitana nungsi chana na hingmin naningiba. Ay koi ki interest sokpa thapak kya tawrakdaba haiba potu ona taina na tawra abadi. So these are the questions before us. Ana puna magsi yengaga koi Communist Party na lepa leitana miyam interest thengna jari ngarang. I ILP. Yes, ILP. Queer Queen demand to hand laser and put the local pigribani. Chahi can open fight the reshibu. Me Shivan Abia on a gravani. Prajapan Mono Equilo involved the ribani. Adu Narang Parliamenta Lautuesi that Haban got chunged. I must carry no understood. Miam's Wahanba. Hogibagi 2001 June 19 to Ningsing Ebako. Isam chamba ko ceasefire mado beyond territorial limit ay buhay kare henjelu budagi hogi ba ihu sidana nadana mai chaktana assembly at chimin seg banglo loin kare miyam gi ihu duna marmor konhangda ko wahay amadi lokthokra adu gi su wahay do handokpugi amuk su jago isagi do ribrai.
All 6 members of Manipuri Student Union (AMSU) who were arrested by police during anti-CAB protest have been released. They are Joint Secretary of AMSU Headquarter Bijando Yumkhaibam, Vice President of AMSU Juribam Sagosem Ranajit, SVC member Sinam Bod, HRD Secretary Bruce Bebam, Joint Secretary of AMSU Imphal East Kumbong Mayum Chaurel, and President of AMSU Lamlai Branch Moirangthem Dixon.
Antang mapan nominasida numidang AMSU headquarter dagi Joint Secretary Administration yauna akhoi thongmi ahum adunga ngarang tang tara Jiribam District Committee ki advisor yauna thongmi manga aduga ngarang nungthil lamlai police station da akhoi gi MSU ki district committee amati branch ki thongmi ani aduga akhoi gi Imphal police station da akhoi gi ngarang tang mapanda fagiba thongmi ahum yauna ngarang akhoi gi HRD secretary Bruce Pebam makhoi mari punna mahiroi 13 huji tongan station ning lei haiba akhoi gi thongmi 13 ase akhoi condition amta yaudana pung kun miri manungda thadok gadum ne ase su mai ke digi akhoi gi appeal tawjari.
People paid homage to late Lamjingbatomtv Sapam Robin Hood by lighting candles at his memorial site located at Awaching of Imphal East last night. Robin Hood, a student of Ananda Singh Higher Secondary School, Imphal, died on July 8 of 2015 while participating in a protest demanding implementation of inner line permit system in the state. People also paid floral tributes at his memorial site yesterday. BJP Herok Mandal celebrated the announcement by Union Home Minister Amit Shah to bring Manipur under the ambit of inner line permit system. The celebration was held at the residence of Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, who is also the MLA of Herok constituency. During the celebration, Minister Radheshyam led the people of Herok in paying floral tribute to the photo of Sapam Robin Hood. Radheshyam expressed gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and the State Chief Minister N. Biren. Radheshyam said every problem can be tackled and solved through dialogue. The minister also extended his gratitude to the people of Herok for supporting him and added that he will continue to work for the welfare of his constituency. President of BJP Herok Mandal Thokchom Chorjit, members of Jila Parishad, Gram Panchayat, Municipal Council and Nagar Panchayat were also present during the celebration. As a part of the precautionary measures taken up by security forces ahead of the Manipur visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Japanese counterpart Shinzo Abe, the Bishnupur District Police and Imphal West Police Commando conducted massive cordon and search operations in different parts of the state today. Under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Imphal West, Amarjit Lamabam, houses were searched at Ningombam Awang Laikai under Singjamai Police Station of Imphal West this morning. Altogether, 170 people from 60 houses were verified in the operation. No one was picked up or arrested, a report said. As a part of security measures taken up by Bishnupur District Police, a massive cordon and search operation was carried out in Kabul Wakching area of Bishnupur early this morning. Reportedly, altogether 920 individuals were verified. The police picked up 5 individuals, including 3 who are now on bail. They were later handed over to Nambol Police Station for further verification. 12 Assam Rifles apprehended 2 persons along with 400 grams of brown sugar last evening near Kudengthabi checkpost along Imphal More Road. They were traveling in a white Maruti Suzuki Ertiga bearing registration number NL07C8383. The drug was packed in 28 soap caps, a report said today. The arrested have been identified as Lunkogin Haukip, aged 23 years old, son of Sina Haukip, and Anthony Haukip, aged 36 years old, son of Matthew Lungjang Haukip. The Pangmol Saitu Gamgazol under Kangpokpi district. The apprehended persons have been handed over to More police for further legal action. A person died on the spot and another 3 were injured in a road mishap that took place late last night at Wangkem Bazaar under Yaripok police station. According to a police report, the incident happened when a Maruti Suzuki Baleno in which they were traveling hit a local shop located at Wangkem Bazaar. The deceased has been identified as Laikhuram Joyson Singh, aged 30, son of L. Ibochoni Singh. The injured are now under medical treatment at Raj Medicity, Imphal. The body was sent to the mortuary of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Porompat, for post-mortem, and Yaripok Police has registered a case regarding the fatal incident. Another short commercial break now. Coming up next, Nupilan commemoration run held in Juribam ahead of Nupilan Day 2019.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakatel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features: mock test, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawgi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changne na coaching tawhanba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600 944 5522.
Manipuri ahanba amadi adongi khwaidagi pamjaba satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV Airtel DTH ki channel number 646 ta fangbiragani. Traditional Healing Center adungai ipa ipu haktaktagi chanaraklaba maite hidakna laying jari iramdamda fangliba manamasing kaya sizinaduna side effect laitana laying jari hakchangi mari suba saru sayang samba amadi singli lonsinaba khaktanatana hakchang fagatpa ngamdana leiba kaya fagalhan mangamba laying ni ngasi maglengsin birau Traditional Healing Center, National Game Village Road, Lamfelpat 795004. Contact number 961 255 8587.
India ki ahanba amasung anisuba IBBF Fitness Miss India contest ta anira gold loduna Manipur gi mingset purakrabi Joyceni Devi gi instruction makhada hangdok seroi VALENTINA Fitness Center.
Nupi khaktagi oiba nupaga punna sanaminabagi nuaitaba koiba amata leiroidaba gymni. VALENTINA Fitness, Kaisampa Junction, opposite Churachampur Parking. Mafam asida Zumba Gym, Cardio na chingbagi sanaba khudongchabasu phangbigani. Ayuk pung mga dagina numidang pung nipan pauba sanaba pangbaga loinana akopa marolgidamak Valentina Fitness kaisampa jangsendagi khangbibayagani. Lengsin birau nupi khaktigi oibazim Valentina Fitness kaisampa junction opposite Churachandpur parking. Telephone number 9612058028.
Welcome back. Ahead of the 80th Nupilan Commemoration Day tomorrow, Nupilan Ningsing Numit Observation Committee 2019 Jiribam today organized a Nupilan commemoration run exclusively for women of Jiribam. The run was held in two categories, above 40 years of age and under 40 years of age. Superintendent of Police Jiribam M. Mubi and Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited K. Sarat Kumar flagged off the two categories of run from Dibong Sanakong and Ichel Club Dibong. Mayon Societies sponsored the prizes for the run. National AIDS Control Organization (NACO) and Manipur AIDS Control Society (MACS) will jointly host the second Northeast Multimedia Campaign 2019 to 2020 on 18th of this month at the Bega Chandra Open Air Theatre, Imphal. The campaign aims to spread awareness to the masses on HIV/AIDS and also to extend compassion and support to every individual living with HIV. 20 artists of Peacemaker Artist Association today left Imphal for Bhopal to participate in the upcoming Folk Theatre Fest 2019 organized by Adivashi Lok Kala Academy, Bhopal. Lifetime Secretary of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, Hemanta, informed this during a press meet at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Shanglen Palace compound. Hemanta said that it is a matter of pride that we are able to take part in such a mega festival.
Asugumba national level da pangthoiba adugumba theatre festival se yahum thoi sumang ila haibe se ekoi internal loina swaida peacemaker ga sana leipa ka iram da manipur ga aduga adaga sangdam na dana festival tona dana lei haibe gi mahutta prithvi gi art form sing folk theater mayam pun maksing duga ekoi ga se compete tona gadamni competition tona gadamni haibe gi wakhalol amaga loina na councilor mang pamang do adugi manungda Mangfau Nova, Adugumba, Tankakamani, Aduna, Moina Sakima Tamsa, Koina Council, Board Pibagaloina, Council President, Adu Academy Committee Chairman, Akoyam Tokna, Mokoi Mamji, Lamtabi Kre.
Wangkem Constituency MLA K. Megachandra, along with advisors and members of Mitron, tractor owners, SWYC volunteers, and local residents cleaned the Charangpat Yairipok road stretch yesterday. The cleanliness program was conducted in view of inconveniences faced by commuters in the area due to piling up of mud and dirt leaving behind by vehicles used for agricultural purposes. General Secretary of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Labour Welfare Association, Romendrajit Moirangcha, has warned of a series of agitation like hunger strike and rally in Manipur and at Janta Manta in Delhi from 16th of this month against alleged violation of rights of labourers by the concerned authority. During a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today, Romendrajit accused Parasit private firm NR Mathai Enterprises and Wan Paunam Premchand of engaging new laborers at FCI Godown, Sangai Pro, by violating the rules and regulations laid down by authority. He also mentioned that due to the current chaotic condition in the workplace, many workers have already left their jobs. Romendrajit also blamed the FCI and concerned department for not taking up any action against the wrongdoers. He warned that the workers will resort to intense protest until and unless stringent action is taken up against them.
Lakliba tang tratuk tagi enar Mathai Enterprises ben tauba amadi akhoi sinmising han mahana maram chadana lokthokpa sinmising si amona tabak suhandaba taragadi akhoi hairiba Delhi ki jantar mantar yauna Manipur mafam kya mass hunger strike akhoi nupa ga mahaki nupi ga jura jura gi punna ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯪꯒꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯟꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯐꯤ ꯀꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯄꯣꯔꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯔꯦꯂꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯒ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ
Information Center for Hill Areas Manipur Icham today loaded Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and Chief Minister N. Biren for their successful efforts to extend ILP system to Manipur. A press meet was held at the Icham office in Kekrupat where President of Icham, Yumi Horam and its members cut a cake to celebrate ILP extension to the state. Icham President Yumi Horam said that Friends and Icham had also worked hard for implementation of ILP in Manipur before the formation of JC-ILPS. They also fondly remembered Sapam Robin Hood, who died during ILP movement, and paid homage to him. Icham said that once again appreciates the Centre and the State Chief Minister for considering the sentiments of the people of Manipur.
The commitment for extending ILPS is a great achievement of the state and its people. The movement of the people and contribution of media would always be remembered, while adding that the success is the result of the united efforts of the people of the state from both hills and valley. Rejoicing over the centre's announcement to introduce ILP system in the state, the Icham President and all executive bodies and advisors in celebrating Amit Shah's commitment by organizing a press conference.
State Health Society Manipur and MS Hengang INFO Manipur today felicitated selected medical officers in charge and drivers of 102 National Ambulance Service for their outstanding service during a function held at the 102 call center located at Kurai Chingambam Laikai of Imphal East. As a part of the felicitation function, representatives of 10 health institutes were presented with simple gifts. Talking at the event, Director of Health and Family Welfare Service, Manipur, Dr. K. Rajo stressed on Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana and appealed to all expecting mothers in the state to get benefits provided by to them under the scheme.
The National Ambulance Service 102 sinnabiba yai masina togodorisi akoina mirombi ama hek lon gibadagi mirong gibadagi akoi hosan da porpo matamda masi free oigani masi pudoisi delivery gi dana tana atai checkup ki any pregnant lady se lakpo matamda koi free oigani masi jinani shikshu suraksha karyakram sida koina free orisi akoi gi free drive free transportation adigi free treatment free operation free drugs free blood aina koi mayam le basingchi koina pregnant women amadi infant up to 1 years of age mokoina anytime henar po tamda koina freely koi transport tawjagani.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Inner line permit system finally extended to Manipur. Chief Minister says protection now given to ethnic communities under ILP. Congress hits out at BJP over Citizenship Amendment Bill, says country divided on religious lines. That's all for the news at 6:30. Thank you for watching.